guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another favorites video. Can we believe that July is over? That means it's August, which means it's like almost fall time. I don't know about you guys, but in my mind fall starts in August, even though I think it like technically doesn't start until September, and it surely doesn't feel like fall in August. It is still super hot in August, but it's something about like, oh, it's getting close. Fall stuff is coming in stores and I love fall time. I know a lot of us love fall time. My son's birthday is coming up and then we have Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, and then my second baby is due in December, and it's just like, I'm just getting ready for this time of year and I'm so excited. Let's talk about July here for a minute because it's over. And there were definitely some products that I enjoyed using over and over and over again in July. I have a couple of kind of newfound or newfound, so new products, and then rediscovered, am I saying that right? Stuff that was already in my collection. So I have a good mix of old and new. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's start with some lip products because I feel like I'm finally starting to wear lip products a little bit more. I'm still wearing masks when I go out, of course, but I'm just loving my lip stuff right now. So there's two particular that I want to talk to you about. The first one is what's on my lips today. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is her collagen lip bath, particularly in the color Pillow Talk. I have two of them. One of them is the original, which is kind of clear. This one is, as you can see, it's like the perfect Pillow Talk pink nude color. I love the way this looks on my lips. I love the way this feels on my lips. It's supposed to be like a plumping thing. I don't want to say it plumps my lips any, but it does get a little bit of like, has minty, so it feels a little bit, but I just think that it looks so pretty. The color is so perfect. It works well on chapped lips. It works well on not chapped lips. This is part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which I think will still be going on when I post this video. There's a kit with 3 of them in it, so I will link that down below for you. Otherwise, I'll just link the single one down below for you guys. Okay, the second one is by Too Faced. It's the Hangover RX Pillow Balm Lip Treatment. Are they both called? Yeah, they're lip treatments. So this is the original. It's been out for, I don't know, a year and a half or so. And then just recently Too Faced released some colored flavored ones. So I have 2 of the colored flavored ones. I actually have the banana one, which is right here, and then the chocolate one. I really like the chocolate one. The banana one is okay. It smells good, but it's just slightly tinted yellow, and I don't love the way it looks on my lips. But the chocolate one smells like chocolate and it has a nude tint to it, so it looks really pretty on your lips. Similar to Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, but not quite as pigmented. These have a mint scent to them too, but on top of it they have their other scent. So this one's like a mint tropical scent and this one's like a mint chocolate. See, maybe that's why I like the banana, because it's like a mint banana, which is like kind of strange combination. Just like the Charlotte Tilbury, they're meant to kind of plump up your lips a little bit. I don't think they do. I just think they look really pretty on your lips. They feel nice on your lips. They're not sticky or anything like that. They're more of like a balmy consistency, so they stay put, but your hair is not gonna get stuck in them. You know what I mean? I don't know. This one smells really good. It's like a pineapple mint. Oh, it's so strange. Okay, let's shift gears to hair care really quick, and then we'll shift back to makeup because I still have more makeup to tell you guys about. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about was sent to me by First Aid Beauty to review for review purposes. I love First Aid Beauty. You guys already know that. I talk about their stuff all the time. Their Ultra Repair Cream is so good. So they actually just started making hair care or shampoo. I don't know if that was a thing before. To my knowledge, it's new. But this is their anti-dandruff shampoo. So they sent this over along with like a serum for your scalp. The serum has salicylic acid in it, so I can't use that while I'm pregnant. This does have something in it, some sort of zinc. I'm not sure if that's pregnancy safe. I still have to talk to my doctor about it, but my husband has been using this. He would probably kill me if he knew I was talking about this, but he has a dry scalp. I have a dry scalp, so it's not like it's, you know, anything crazy. I know lots of us have dry scalp, and I know he tries lots of different shampoos, and some of them work, some of them don't. So I was hopeful that this would work for him, and he actually made a comment to me that he likes the shampoo, which for him is a big deal. He's not a skincare person, he's not a beauty person, he's, you know, so for him to even make mention of like, oh, I really like that, he's kind of like oh, okay. So if it works for him, I feel like it can work for lots of different people. Okay, shifting gears to a hair product that smells absolutely amazing, that I can attest to is wonderful, is this hair mask by Briogeo. So this is their Be Gentle, Be Kind mask. Oh, nope, that's not the English side. Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. I actually got a bitty sample of this in my Ipsy bag, and I smelt it and I was like, holy cow, that smells good. So I tried it, you know, the next time I washed my hair. It made my hair feel so soft and so smooth. It works wonderfully. It's very similar to their, what is it, Repair Don't Despair hair mask, but it just smells a lot better in my opinion. I mean, it smells kind of fruity. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely smell the kiwi in it. It has like this green color. See how it's like green? I don't know, the smell kind of lingers in your hair, which I personally think is amazing. And it's just a good hair mask. So, I mean, I like it so much I went out and bought the full size myself, which I think is very telling. Okay, let's shift back into makeup here for a minute. So I have two eye products to tell you about. The first one is a brand new product from Charlotte Tilbury. Well, maybe like within the past month. I say brand new like it just released, maybe within the last month. This is her Eyes to Mesmerize, which is a cream formula that you guys already know I love. I talk about it all the time. I made multiple videos about her Eyes to Mesmerize. I just think it is the most perfect whipped creaseless cream eyeshadow. They have so many amazing colors. They're kind of duochrome, so they just look so pretty on the eyes. But this one is in the color Pillow Talk. So the color is new. She just released this. She released it with Walk of No Shame. So they came out together. I was so stinking excited when I saw that they were releasing these. I bought it the day it launched, and I love this color. So Pillow Talk, very similar to the lip product that I just told you about. There's a whole theme with her Pillow Talk line. They're all the same tone of that beautiful pink nude. This is so perfect for my eyes. I wear it a lot. And in fact, on my Instagram, a ton of you guys have asked me, what's on your eyes? What's on your eyes? And it's been this. Every single time the past month that somebody has asked me what's on my eyes on Instagram, it's been this Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize. So I know some of you can attest to that because you've asked me multiple times, the same person, and I'm like, girl, it's still a Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize. So highly recommend. It's just a beautiful kind of pink. As you can see, pink nude. I feel like it'll flatter every skin tone. And the formula is amazing. So Kaja just started sending me PR, you guys, which is so exciting. I'm a big Kaja fan. Their bento boxes, their little eyeshadow trio stacks are amazing in my opinion. I think they're some of the best eyeshadows out there. They're cute little trios, like here's one right here. And I use the ones I have all the time. They're very convenient because of their shape. They're pretty much the same size as these Charlotte Tilbury, but you get 3 different colors, which is really cool. So they have completely matte ones, they have shimmery ones, they have mixture ones. This one is in the color 3 Toasted Caramel. So they sent this over along with a couple of other items, but this is the one that I've been liking the most. This is all glittery, so these all have shimmer in them. So I do have to kind of supplement, I guess, with a matte color. Sometimes I'll just throw my bronzer in my crease, or I'll pull out like a palette with a matte shadow in it. But the colors are more on the warm side, the more goldeny warm side. It's actually what's on my eyes today. So like what's on my like lid all over. The outer corner, there's a matte color, but if you're curious what the color is, it's this top one right here. So you have a more kind of champagne gold, and then you have a more kind of bronzy caramel gold in the middle, and then the last one is like your deep chocolate brown with glitter in it. So I just think that these are so good. This was a color I hadn't tried before. I'm not typically somebody who likes gold eyeshadow, but I feel like this isn't too gold. It just gives you like a brush of gold, like a gold shift, which is so summery and getting me so excited for fall. You know, that's one thing. I think gold is really good for fall. Okay, last thing I want to tell you guys about is a rediscovered favorite from my collection. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I rediscovered this a couple of weeks ago when I was getting ready to film a bronzer related video that you guys will see here in a little bit. I'm pre-filming just a tiny bit. I picked this out of my collection, I put it on my face, and I was like, holy cow, I love that bronzer. Why did I ever stop using that bronzer? You know, I feel like I get so caught up in trying the newest, the greatest, the best, and this is just so good. It's top 3 for me, you guys, which tells you a lot since I do have like 15 bronzers in my collection. So it's the bronzer that's on my face today. I feel like it's the perfect tone. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's matte, so you can contour with it if you wanted to, but it just provides the perfect like bronze little shadow on my face. It helps to sculpt and make my face look a little bit better, sun-kissed, and it's just really, really good. So if you're anywhere near my skin tone and you're looking for a good bronzer, just the regular Benefit Hoola, not the light, not the dark, not the shimmery one, just the regular Hoola that's been around forever. I've actually gone through like multiple boxes of these. Okay guys, popping in to add in one more product that I forgot to mention during my video. I saw this and I was like, dang it, it was on my list and I just forgot to mention it to you guys. So this was sent to me by Josie Maran for review purposes. It's her whipped argan oil face butter. Immediately when I got it, I was intrigued by the name face butter. Like, can you face butter? Interesting, right? So essentially it's like her argan oil. If you remember, they were really big like a few years ago in the YouTube world, the argan oils that were in the little droppers, but it's like a facial moisturizer version of it. So it's super duper hydrating. My skin gets kind of dry, especially during pregnancy. I'd say it's more normal to dry, but I do have those dry spots. I use this more as a night cream right now, and so far I've really been liking it. It's a glass jar, which in and of itself just makes it feel super luxury. The rose gold lid. And then here's what it looks like. You can see I've used quite a bit of it so far. It's unscented, it's not super sticky, but it is on the thick side, which is why I like to use it as a night cream. But overall, I've really been liking it. If you are looking for a good night cream or just a really thick, unscented moisturizer, then this one has been doing good things for me. Okay guys, well those are the beauty products that I loved in the month of July. Happy August, happy almost fall, not really, but we can pretend like it's fall, right? And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.